Okay, hello. Our topic for today is what tools do I use in my work as a programmer? First of all, I use Gmail, not Yahoo, because I think Yahoo is for play, Gmail is for work. I also use Slack to communicate my team and to the other companies that I work for. I also use Dreamweaver, so there are some stuff that I need to say, parang WYSIWYG, yun lang so far the best tool yan, si Dreamweaver, for designing HTML that you can na WYSIWYG style, no? And for doing mapping on the images for HTML, to do that there. But my main code there is Visual Code Studio. Okay, show you that on my next videos. I use Navicat for database access. I use GitHub. I use yun ang mga. So for servers naman, I use App Engine standard, not App Engine flexible. Okay, kasi ang flexible may bayad, standard libre. Ang babayaran mo lang naman,
It's 4 o'clock.
for App Engine would be, for if you're going to use App Engine, it's the database access. So a database, which is I use Google Cloud SQL. Compute Engine, I also have those for, it's like a virtual machine. In Amazon it's called EC2, in Google it's App Engine. We also use BigQuery, yan yung for doing queries on your big data, how to make your big data. I'll explain that in the future videos. Basically compiling all of your database data, whatever format it is, streaming data or whatever, MySQL, DBFs, whatever, you compile them into a single data source and do your reports from those big data. And Google, I'll show you how you can do that in Google Cloud. Almost free siya. Ganda. Cloud Build, that's where normally in Amazon I use GitHub to post my codes, but in Google they have their own Git. GitHub is the official Git management tool, but the cloud, in the Google Cloud, they just use Git, or you could use your own Git tool, but yun, and then just push from there, and then go from those pushes. See, Cloud Build will build from your repository and post it to App Engine. Storage, this is perfect for uploading images, since App Engine does not have a write function, it only has read. Bakit? Because it's like, if you're going to host in App Engine, it's like a container style, because it can host from 0 to 1 million instantly. So wala ka nang takot if you have a biglaan concurrent users na biglang laki, biglang liit. Perfect si App Engine for that. It's like a Docker containerization na auto VM. Medyo mahirap aralin yan, pero if you're using App Engine, all of those are automatic and free. Basta standard, standard does not have write, only has read. Flexible, App Engine flexible, has that parang Docker style na auto deploy na, pero you could create your own VM, your own Docker, your own container. Kaya kaya may presyo si App Engine flexible. Si App Engine standard, libre siya because you're going to use yung standard deployment ni Google na for PHP, for Python, for Node.js, no? Ganon. So, to create our pakita ko sa inyo how I do my first web hosting. So, let's create our first one, new project. Just name it test. This gawin natin libre, wala namang bayad dito. Let's create test, and it's creating the project now. While waiting, I could tell you more about about nothing. Just joking. Okay, App Engine. Sa App Engine, bakit gustong gusto ko si App Engine is because saan yung dashboard? Dito na muna tayo. It has cron jobs. Pero ang style nito, you configure everything using YAML. Pakita ko sa inyo yan lahat. Right now, I'm doing overview lang, no? The details on the next videos. Yeah, the task queues, yan yung I use that to queue. Ang uso kasi ngayon pagkagagawa kang report, sasabihin mo lang the report creation is in progress. We will notify you when the report's done. Para hindi mapuno, parang naka-queue yung mga processes, no? So yan ang uso ngayon because iniisip natin right now if you're doing service is ano ba tawag doon? Massive, no? So you put them in queue para kakayanin ng mga servers. So instances, those are the instances that your App Engine creates. So what I do there, we just delete the instances na hindi na kailangan manually, pero automatic naman dapat yan with correct settings. So pinaka-importante na ginagamit ko dyan, Memcache, very important to make your system faster. Depends on how your system works. So I use Memcache, cron jobs, task queues, and ang gandahan sa App Engine, you could have many services. Ibig sabihin yan, you could deploy many subdomains or domains, no, na pwede mong i-set up dito. So in our next video, I'll show you by code on this computer how I do my API under PHP, and I'll do maybe a sample to-do app in standard using the API that I created. I use Slim Framework. So abangan nyo. Please subscribe to view more videos like this. Thank you.